In many places in India, garbage bins are overflowing with garbage because the garbage collector does not arrive on time to collect the waste. Segregation of waste is important for the recycling and reuse of waste. In most cities in India, the disposal system consists of an unsegregated waste collected from door to door and from the municipality garbage bin, which is then segregated manually at the disposal site. The process is not effective or feasible, as it is time consuming and causes health issues to the people involved in it. To overcome this, we have selected this topic, and our solution is an AI waste segregator. To know more about the issues related to waste management specific to our city of Mysore, we conducted a survey. We interviewed residents, karamcharis, an area corporator, a zonal head, and the mayor of Mysore.
From survey results, we can conclude the following. 24% of the people do not know how to segregate the waste. 34% of the respondents stated that the garbage collection trucks do not have separate compartments for dry, wet, and hazardous wastes. This implies that even though waste is segregated at the household level, it is mixed up in a truck. Karmacharis collect both segregated and unsegregated waste from the households. The unsegregated waste is manually segregated by the Karmachari. The area corporators stated that they do not have sufficient garbage collection trucks.
We read the Municipal Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. The rules have made it mandatory to channelize waste to wealth, as this emphasizes segregation of waste at source by recovery, reuse and recycling. We also have gone through some of the research papers like Solid Waste Collection and Segregation, a case study of MNIT Campus Jaipur, and a review paper on Municipal Solid Waste Management in Bhubaneswar to understand the major problems of waste management in India.
Most of the journal papers indicate that source segregation is not happening in many cities. The waste which is collected is transported and dumped in landfills by the local authority. Our main idea to solve this problem is to build an automated segregation unit with waste level monitoring system which might reduce piling of garbage along the roads and overflowing garbage bins. An automated AI-enabled bin will segregate waste by image recognition. Further, an automatic optimization of routes for the collection of trucks may further ease in the clearing of garbage in different locations on priority basis.
Implementation plan. We will install the smart bins in one residential area in consultation with the mayor and area corporator. We will also conduct the training in that community to make them understand about the AI waste segregator and how this bin works, and intimate the message to the garbage collector once it is full. After a month, we will monitor and take feedback from the residents of that area and also from the zonal head to know how this bin was helpful for that society.